Hi all. So in this video we will learn about starts with uh, uh, keyword, or it's kind of function in XPath, right? So you need to provide HTML element, then starts with keyword. So you can provide either attribute name or a display text. So if it is a attribute name, so you need to provide a attribute name with at sign as usual, right? Here this at sign. If you are using text, display text, you need to call the text function with parenthesis, right? So you need to provide that start value of that attribute name, which is start value of that attribute name, and uh, start value of the display text if you are using text, right? Furthermore, we will study it about and keyword in XPath, and then where we can use a wildcard as well, right? Wildcard means for unspecified, or that means you can either, if you are using wildcard for HTML element, right? So you and then you can provide HTML element, but otherwise you can say asterisk. That means any HTML element, right? Any HTML element starts with this one. Any HTML element with at attribute is this one. Likewise, so you can use wildcard, right? We will just discuss a couple of examples, right? For wildcard purpose, in XPath we use asterisk sign, right? Okay. So we will go with kind of examples to start it, right? Here you can see that I'm going to capture enter username, right? Enter username, then sorry, enter username with placeholder text, right? Okay, I'm going to inspect that element, right? Here you can see that input element, placeholder text, this one, right? Then here, which is starts it, right? Here this should be starts with, not start with, right? This should be starts with, right? It should be there. Okay. Then we will go with example like enter username, right? With placeholder text, right? Enter username, this should be input, and this one is the placeholder text, right? Here you can say like double slash input, uh, then you can say starts with dash with function at placeholder comma this one, right? Here it starts with enter, so you can say like enter, right? So once you put that one, right, you can see it will return one of two. That means it returns both uh, placeholder with input element which starts with enter keyword, right? Here so now you can use another thing, which is that name is username, right? Okay. So I can just copy this one, and I will say here like and. You can use and, so you can combine two kind of XPath attributes or text values. Likewise, right, you can combine two of those things using and keyword. Here I can say and at username, sorry, at name equal username. Okay, now it returns one of one, right? At name should be a username, and that placeholder start with enter, right? Okay, so in this example, now you know starts with for attribute, right? Here starts with keyword with attribute, this one, right? And you know how to use and keyword, right? Okay, then we will go with starts with display text. Okay, starts with display text. Here I will take that Java automation book again. Here this one, which is h3 tag. H3 tag, right? Starts with instead of placeholder I can say it's text, right? Text, I can say it's Java. So other part I can remove the other things, right? Other values. Okay, so it returns 1 of 1, right? There is a text with h3 tag starts with Java, returns 1 of 1. This is one example, right? So instead of that h3 I can say like asterisk. So it returns 1 of 3. That means there are 3 elements, right? There are 3 elements which display text starts with Java, right? There are 3 elements. Okay, so instead of Java I will provide the other word which is automation. Okay, now you can see it's 1 of 1. That means the word starts with Java automation only. You can have only one element, though you provide asterisk here, right? There are no more elements returned, right? Okay, so through this example now you know how to use that HTML element with display text and starts with attribute, right? Sorry, starts with keyword, and you know how to use asterisk, that means wildcard, right?